Hi students, sorry I got cut off on the last recording and some technical issues occurred. So let's finish up here with this real life inequality problem. So as I was mentioning, the rate to get into the zoo is $10 and it's $2 for the featured exhibits if you want to attend them, and you bring a total of $40. So the way we're going to set this up is we're going to set this up as 2 times X, because 2 is the amount of money it is to get into the exhibits. So we can say X is the exhibits plus the $10 admission fee, and that is going to we think of equals to the $40. So this together has to be less than or equal to our total amount, which is $40. The reason it's less than or equal to is you can't exceed $40 because $40 is the maximum amount of money you have for the zoo. So our inequality for this is 2x plus 10 is less than or equal to 40. So now we need to solve this inequality. So what I'm going to do is subtract 10 to both sides. So what I have is 2x is less than or equal to 30. Again, we're solving for x, so we're going to divide 2 to both sides. We're not dividing by negative, so we're going to keep the inequality sign the way it is. So my final answer here is going to be x is less than or equal to 30 divided by 2 is 15. So what this means is, this means that the people attending can attend up to 15 different exhibits if they had that many exhibits at the zoo. So the final answer could be the people can attend up to 15 exhibits at the zoo. And that'll be my answer. So we'll practice some of this in class and look at some book work as well.